Are you an aspiring entrepreneur who wants to dive into the clothing industry? With so much misinformation out there, it's easy to make mistakes and give up on this endeavor too soon. But fear not, in this video, I will show you how to create your own clothing brand in just 3 easy steps, even if you're not a graphic designer. This tutorial is for you. Get ready for an epic, one-of-a-kind education on the authentic ways to launch a successful clothing brand. One of the most detrimental mistakes that one can make when starting a clothing brand is to attempt to copy the behavior of already established and successful companies in the market. In our negative scenario, let's say Zach gets caught up in the idea of starting his own clothing brand. However, instead of doing market research or getting professional guidance, he simply relies on his own ideas. He spends countless hours on Instagram looking at successful clothing brands, which only fuels his desire to start his own. After listening to some motivational speeches, he decides to dive into the clothing industry. He designs his own clothing line and finds a cheap t-shirt printing facility to mass produce his products. He throws together a sloppy Shopify website with a generic logo and domain name, obsessing over minor details like the color of his buttons and pages. He adds 10 poorly designed products to his store and launches his brand without any marketing or advertising efforts. And unfortunately, his brand doesn't take off. Zach's failed attempt at starting his own clothing brand is a prime example of the importance of having a mental model when starting a business. Without a clear understanding of the industry and how to approach it, it's easy to make costly mistakes and waste valuable resources. A mental model is like a roadmap that guides your decisions and actions in a particular field, helping you to make better informed choices. Unfortunately, Zach lacked a mental model and paid the price for it. So what is a mental model that we can apply to avoid such mistakes and have a shot at success? One such mental model is the passion, community, paycheck model, which consists of 3 simple steps. The first step is to find your passion for creating clothing. This means identifying the specific niche that you want to cater to and what makes your brand unique. This passion will fuel your drive to create high-quality products that resonate with your target audience. The next step is to find a community of like-minded individuals who share your passion. This can be achieved through social media, online forums, or in-person events. Building a community around your brand will help you to establish a loyal customer base and provide valuable feedback for future product development. Finally, the ultimate goal of the passion community paycheck model is to get paid to do what you love full time. By focusing on your passion and building a community around it, you can create a profitable business that allows you to pursue your dreams on a full-time basis. However, it's important to note that the most crucial aspect of this model is to have a genuine love and passion for what you do. While this mental model provides a roadmap, it doesn't necessarily specify how to manifest your product, integrate it into your community, and turn a profit. A popular approach to starting a business is to create a minimum viable product, also known as an MVP. Essentially, an MVP is a basic version of a product that has just enough features to be usable by potential customers. By creating an MVP, you can test the waters and gauge interest in your product before investing a significant amount of time, money, and resources. It's also important to focus on creating one product to keep the business simple and easy to manage. Once you have created a design for your product, you may be tempted to buy a large quantity of it to keep costs down. However, a better alternative could be to deploy your design on a print-on-demand service. Print-on-demand is a service that allows you to print and ship products as orders come in. This means you don't have to purchase large quantities upfront, and you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. You can start with just one product and test the market. And since the products are printed and shipped on demand, you can easily make changes to your design without wasting any inventory. There are many print-on-demand services, and they can handle a variety of products such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Some popular print-on-demand services include Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble. Before choosing a print-on-demand service, make sure to do your research and compare their pricing, quality, shipping options, and seller fees. Several print-on-demand services are organized like marketplaces. You could think of it as an upgraded version of eBay that allows you to showcase your designs on a range of different products, but you're also competing with other people with similar interests. I personally recommend an option that integrates with your own store, such as Shopify. By using this type of fulfillment integration, you can ensure that your community isn't exposed to other sellers on the marketplace. After establishing the minimum viable product, creating a website, and partnering with a fulfillment center to produce and ship your orders, the next step is to cultivate a community. Building a community around a brand is essential for long-term success, as it fosters a sense of loyalty and engagement among customers. However, it's important to note that building a community isn't just about promotion. It's about storytelling and creating a brand narrative that resonates with people, rather than simply promoting products. It's about sharing the story of how the brand came to be and showcasing the vision for its future. Visual examples of future product designs can be a powerful way to build excitement and engage with the community. By sharing sneak peeks of new designs and involving the community in the creative process, customers feel invested in the brand and excited about what's to come. In addition to this, it's also important to engage with the community through social media, email marketing, and other channels once a database has been established. But before I tell you about the final step, consider subscribing, as this will help the channel grow and motivate me to make more videos like this in the future. And so, in conclusion, the final step is to keep a watchful eye on your sales growth and reinvest in your clothing brand's ongoing development. Embrace the long-term mindset and strive for greater achievement. Connect with other creators in your niche, leverage popular sounds and hashtags to increase exposure, and remember to promote yourself as a person, not just a brand. Keep pushing, keep growing, and success will surely follow.